Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Hello everyone. We are today we will talk about a very simple and good tool for our hardware repairing. Finercy tool. It's just a very simple tool. We are all know about avometer like this. That's a good quality of the multimeter. It's like smart and have true RMS. We are all use this multimeter in our life in today, but today I have talk about this. Okay, now we will use it for check most of this and all of these components, just like transistors, capacitors, diodes, zener, just like that. It's for units and injectors. We will use it to check and take the measurements and comparing these transistors and this regulator. We will use to check resistors as you like in the board, or you can get it out. Okay, we will show you some tools we have made for useful using. We will see. It's come with these 3 pins, and this smallest adapter for the ESMD smallest transistors. I just replaced this and just do a little tool like this to shake the little transistor. For the biggest transistor, and many gates in most of bipolar transistors and integrated circuits. It will be useful to use. And I just do this pins, 2 pins, to check diodes in the board, just in the board. I don't want to get it out on it. I just leave it on its place and I will check with this, like adapters. Let's see what is do. This is a stand we have made it to make the way to measurement and the check are simple. Let's get down. First pin we will use is the 2 pins. We will put it in the place pin number 1 and 2 and 3. We will use 1 and 2 or 1 and 3. This 2 pin, get it up to good seeing. This tool have a good option. It's auto turn off. Okay, we will just get them, this wires beside and see what we will use. This is the engine, board, MR unit. Okay, we just anything like that. And we are put the pins and take check. 10 ohm, 10 ohms. It's the truly RMS. Good. Let's check this coil inductor. We will check this inductor. Take test. المقاومة بتاعته جايبة 32 ohm mega ohms. It's a very big and huge this is right here and right now was have a big problem. It will give you 220 ohm or like 100 ohms. Okay, we can check transistor, power transistor like in the MR with the two pins like as diode like this, and take test. Sure, are you see that it gives a diode? There is a good check. Why? Because there is a diode there in this circuit. Okay, but it's a manual check. We will use it. The 3 pins we have do for it. Just give a second. We'll take off this, and we have a big one for big ones. As you see, we will get in the tips test. These 2 pins we can control the limit for the 2 pins, and this is the 3rd. Sure. And take test. The pins is not you see, gives the transistor schematic and the inside diagram. The camera was very bad, I'm sorry. Okay, this is transistor was good and don't have any problems. It gives you the HFE 1029 and 6.71 milliamperes. Okay, and this all details and informations for the transistor you have check. Okay, we will check the smallest one. We will use this first for I dreamed as photo was clear, I think. We use capacitor like this. Let's use the other one. With two clamps. Capacitance 6 and 7, 6.7%, 67 ohm, and the capacitance 61 microfarad. Good. We can use Zener to check Zener diodes like this one. And test. Because that Zener was in the board and in the circuit, it will not give you a measurement on the Zener check. We will close it, get it off, and check it again with it's not good contact. Reason will make it contact code and test again. It will comes a diode. Okay, because that it's getting the board, not out of here. Okay, we'll use the last one. And for simple way we will use this like in bin 1 and the other 2 bins in any bin. Okay, we have 3 wires. We can use it like this with the clamps 1 and the other red one. Okay, and the last one we will connect it in the back side. Like you see. Okay, and test. Okay, that's MOSFET. We can check the other one. Bin and the other. This is the other side one. We will take a test. The same transistor MOSFET. It have a gate and drain and source. If the photo and video quality was good, you will see the numbers of bin as you get it in the board on the transistor. I hope I will and I have get you a good advice for this tool too useful using and simple way to repair electronics. This is the first tool. I will get it front on your opinion. Okay, and that's my advice for anyone can learning about fixing and repairing electronics. Okay, this is the last step and the last little tool I have. This one. I have a problem in my work. Okay, the problem at my work is I can't I can check this transistor like this. I made this to check this, okay, and check the little components. These dimensions my nail between the two pins, the dimensions between them is 2 millimeters. To check the transistors SMD like this, the 3 pins sitting down on the 3 dimensions of transistor, okay, and take a test. Not good connect. Let's check again. It gives one diode. That may be because it's on the board. Okay, we will see another one. Like this here. With one hand. You see now, it gives us 2 diodes. Okay, we will try another one here next to the processor, the supplier for the feeding of the processor. Let's see what we will have. It gives 1 diode. That's because that a voltage feeding for 5 volt for line for 5 volt processor line, okay, and because that's on the board, still on the board, okay. Sorry, the time is too big. It's 20 minutes. We will make another video inshallah. See you again. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.